July 3rd, Saturday. I cut out the wood, the round wood, and sand it down a little bit. And then start using the wood filler. Adding 16 part wood filler, 1 part hardening agent. It came with a wood filler. Mix it with a putty knife. Fill it in. And then I cut out a piece of this stirring wood glue with glue stick, which I did like 2 years ago or 3 years ago. And then I just stuck in there and then continue fill with wood fillers. And then cut out another piece, stuck in there, fill another wood filler. Right now it's about 3:55 p.m. And then here are my tools, Dremel, and then masking tape. I put masking tape around it to prevent from overspilling. Here's my multi-tool to cut the wood. And then I'm waiting for it to dry. I've been waiting for like 30 minutes already. Oh no, 20 some minutes. So I got another 20 minutes for it harden. And then I'm gonna keep filling it. Ah, yeah, there are some holes down there. I need to really fill. Yeah, I really need to fill the bottom of that. Okay. And then what else? Today is pretty nice. It's like 23 degrees Celsius. It's not raining. That's why I picked today to do it. I need to buy another putty knife. This is a 1.5 inch. I can buy more of these from Home Depot. This came from Lowe's. That's it. Keep going. What else I need to do? The other side. The other side seems okay. Yeah, okay, that's it.